Hi, John Carr and Rosalind Smith Carr from Prime Toronto Neighborhoods at Royal LePage, Johnson and Daniel. According to the Huffington Post, we Canadians do not think of our country as a playground for the rich. However, a quick survey done recently showed that there are close to 90 homes in Canada currently listed for more than $10 million. Here's your chance to go inside some of these homes from the comfort of your own home. Enjoy the show. Still looking for your dream home in Toronto? Simply type in torontohomesbyemail.com as you see on the screen, no spaces. Then click on the very first result right here, Toronto Homes by Email. All the very fresh listings from the MLS will be delivered directly to your inbox. Once again, thank you very much for watching.